yeah. Been a long road, son, but I'm right here, always, yeah. I know life weren't easy when you first came in. I was broken trying to stitch up all the places I've been. London nights had me fighting with my own shadow. Heart full of storms, mind full of battles. But you were just a kid watching me try to stand, trying to build a future with these shaky hands. I wasn't perfect, I was learning on the go, but every tear you saw was me refusing to let go. I swear I tried to shield you from the chaos and the noise, tried to teach you strength without stealing your joys. You saved me, little man, more than you know. You turned a cold heart warm, made a lost man grow. Little lion, you kept roaring through the pain, roaring, even when the world was pouring down the rain. I promise you I'll never let you feel alone again. You're the reason that I changed, you're the fire in my veins.
Little lion, you're the best part of my life. I'll protect you through the darkness and the strife. If the world ever tries to dim your light,
I'll be right there,
standing by your side.
I used to run from problems, now I face them head on. You made me wanna fix myself, wanna be strong. I learned patience, learned love, learned truth, learned how to be the man I never had in my youth. I know sometimes you wonder why dad looked tired, why his eyes were heavy, why his soul felt wired. But every long night was me fighting for you, trying to build a life where your skies stay blue. And if you ever feel lost or the world feels cold, remember you're a lion, brave, bright, bold. You're my legacy, my heart, my second chance, the reason I stand tall, the reason I advance.
Little lion, you kept roaring through the pain, even when the world was pouring down the rain.
I promise you I'll never let you feel alone again.
You're the reason that I changed,
You're the fire in my veins.
Little lion, you're the best part of my life.
My life,
I'll protect you through the darkness and the strife. If the world ever tries to dim your light,
I'll be right there,
standing by your side.
always. You saved me, son, and I'll spend the rest of my life making sure you never feel what I felt. My little lion, keep roaring.